Hey folks, Hunter and Johnny here, and today we're talking about the flexibility of LINAK's OpenBus technology. Working with LINAK allows you access to application engineers that utilize one of the most powerful software platforms in the linear actuation industry. LINAK engineers can take your ideas regarding actuator behavior and in a matter of hours produce a fully working system that behaves according to your application's specific needs. Johnny here has just started working on a software project where, due to an obstruction, our client would like to shorten the stroke length of the actuator from 100 millimeters to 50 millimeters. Changes like these to software take our team only a few minutes to completely turn around back to the customer. And testing an alternative behavior has never been easier for our clients during the prototype phase. Adjusting stroke length isn't the only flexibility of LINAK's software platform though. For your software, your application engineer begins by selecting the control box and actuators that will work best for your application, and select specific characteristics of those components, including current cutoffs and input type, such as wired or Bluetooth communication, shown here. From there, we select the specific controls that will be used in your application. Since our platform utilizes OpenBus protocol, each control sends unique codes to the control box, known as H codes, for commands. Because these controls are digital and not analog like contact closure, you can be sure there won't be a risk of accidental triggers if a cable's pinched or sheared. Next, we simply determine what should happen when the control box sees any combination of H codes transmitted, whether that's moving just one actuator or following a set of commands and complex movements that make the application work best for your specific needs. Though the list of functions we can create for your application in such a short turnaround time are nearly infinite, some of the possibilities are adding memory positions or programming stroke and stop positions.
Or adding lockouts and limited functionality states.
Or you can even change actuator speed, use customized beeps for status feedback.
We can add LED indicators or design sequential movements for your application.
And you can even create analog inputs for custom controls or allow contact closure outputs such as nurse call. In addition to these features, all of our OpenBus control boxes allow our clients to connect to the control box via service data tool to gather system statistics, usage information, and help troubleshoot any issues that may arise. In just a matter of minutes, Johnny was able to make this LA20 run to a shorter stroke and avoid the obstruction, and can now send it to the customer for approval. So he's going to go ahead and run it in so that it calibrates to the new in-stop, and we're going to run out and see if it stops short of that. All right, and it works. For more information on our software development capabilities, please visit linak-us.com. Thanks for tuning in.